With just a week to go before Parliament's monsoon session ends, Trinamool Congress's Derek O'Brien demanded today that Prime Minister Narendra Modi attends the proceedings and listen to the demands of the opposition, which has been clamoring for a discussion on the Pegasus spyware row, the farmers' issue and several others. Mr. O'Brien tweeted a 3-minute video of various opposition parties pushing their demand in the Parliament, captioned, "Mr. Modi, come listen to us." So far, the Prime Minister has attended Parliament only once for the opening remarks and to introduce the new ministers. The proceedings were interrupted and Prime Minister Modi said that the House should treat the ministers as introduced. The monsoon session had been hobbled since it started on July 19th, a day after a global media consortium reported about the illegal use of spyware in several nations. In India, the spyware could have been used on political leaders, journalists, bureaucrats and court officials, a former election commissioner and others, according to a report by The Wire. Around 300 numbers were found on a list of suspected surveillance targets. Forensic analysis of some of the phones have also found traces of hacking. However, the government has denied any illegal snooping in its statement in the Parliament. However, it has also refused to discuss the matter inside the Parliament, which has been the main demand of the opposition parties. The United Opposition has been demanding a discussion on these topics. However, the government has not yet agreed to their demand. Let us watch the video.
चर्चा के लिए हम 14 दिन से तड़प रहे हैं, उसको तो आप अलाउ नहीं कर रहे। और जिसको हम बाद में कर सकते हैं वो बिल ला के आप पास कर दे। अगर आप में हिम्मत है तो कराओ पेगासस
Subject to the provisions of this constitution and the rules and standing orders regulating the procedure of Parliament, there shall be freedom of speech in Parliament, and as per this constitution we have the freedom of speech.
आपने मुझे बुलाया, इसके लिए मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, लेकिन कई हमारे मेंबर्स को यहां से निलंबित भी कर दिया, ये ठीक नहीं।
I request the other members who are standing behind her, standing with her, please do not disturb her.
The Constitution is basic. It speaks about the freedom of expression. The chairman gets is a regulation. That is about the time. You can't give me a scripted speech and say you read it. It is my speech.
Sir, today in this August House, democracy is in danger, sir. Before we discuss about the quality of life, let us discuss about the quality of democracy.
हमारे देश में जनता का हाल बहुत खराब है। किसान, मजदूर, जनता, महिला, 9 साल के बच्ची को रेप करके मार दिया। बिल लगाए आप लोग, बिल।
राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा के नाम पर जो जहर घोला जा रहा है, पेगासस, सर एक ऐसा उपकरण जो सबके घर तक पहुंचा दिया गया, सारा संभव नहीं कि आप भी उसके साथ में हो। मैं समझता हूं ये महत्वपूर्ण है, तब जाकर के कोई चर्चा हो।
Government is unnecessarily snooping on people, blinking at companies like Pegasus, and unnecessarily not addressing these issues. It's a shame, shame, and shame.
दिल्ली के अंदर एक दलित बालिका का रेप करके जला दिया जाता है और सरकार उन्हें जवाब नहीं देती। मैं कहना चाहता हूं गृहमंत्री, आप एक बात देखिए, दिल्ली के अंदर दलित बच्ची को जला दिया गया।
एक अनुच्छेद जो किसान से संबंधित है, मैं उस पे आऊंगा बशर्ते किसान का नाम लेते ही मेरा माइक बंद ना हो। सदन में ऐसा वातावरण।
I strongly oppose the attitude of the government, sir. The government is killing the
parliamentary democracy. The government is killing the parliamentary democracy. There are several issues to be discussed in the floor, sir. But the government is not ready to discuss the issues, sir. The Pegasus issue, the farmers issue.
About the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.